Welcome, my name is Saul Guevara and this is a how-to training video to make your Microsoft Word document Section 508 compliant. At the end of this training video, you will be able to learn the basics on how to make your document Section 508 compliant. What is Section 508 compliance? It is a federal law mandating that all electronic and information technology developed, procured, maintained, or used by the federal government be accessible to people with disabilities. How do you know your document is Section 508 compliant? Easily. Let me show you in just a few steps. In this video, I am using a document that contains intentional errors and is not Section 508 compliant. Let's get started. First, click on the File tab at the top left corner. Click Info, then scroll down to Check for Issues and click Check Accessibility. Microsoft Word will check the document for content that people with disabilities might find difficult to read. Once doing so, the Accessibility Checker will appear on the right side of the window screen, displaying all inspection results. In this case, the Accessibility Checker found errors and warnings in my document. First, let's look at the missing alternative text errors by clicking on Picture 8. When I click it, Microsoft Word will highlight and identify the error like so. In addition, the Accessibility Checker provides more information such as why it is important to fix and steps to fix it in this section. For instance, alternative text for images and other objects is very important for people who can't see the screen. Screen readers read alternate text aloud, so it's the only information many have about the image. Good alternate text helps them understand the image better. Here are the steps to fix it. Select the picture, right-click, select Format Picture. This will open the Format Picture options on the right side of the window screen. To add alternate text, click on the Layout and Properties icon. In this section, I will type a title and description so that people who are blind can get an idea of what the picture is. At this point, we have fixed the error for Picture 8. If we look over at the Accessibility Checker, we will notice that Picture 8 is no longer there and has been resolved. Next, let's click on Picture 1 and repeat the same steps applied to Picture 8. When done with the Format Picture pane, we can close it. Now, if we look at the inspection results, we're only left with the repeated blank characters warning. Click on the 80 characters to highlight and identify. Microsoft Word has identified extra spaces before the paragraph. To make the extra spaces visible, click on the paragraph symbol located at the very top of the toolbar. This is an easy fix. Simply click the paragraph icon for a better visual, highlight the extra spaces that you would like to remove, and press Delete on your keyboard. After you've deleted the extra spaces, click on the paragraph symbol at the very top of the toolbar to hide it. And there it is, all fixed. Lastly, if we look over at the Accessibility Checker, there are no accessibility issues found, and this Microsoft Word document is now Section 508 compliant. People with disabilities should not have difficulty reading this document. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a one-on-one training, please submit a ticket on the S31 Help Desk website. Thank you.